Hey guys, how's it going? So if you remember on the last video, we gave this thing a little bit of a clean up, and I mentioned that these front wheels are seized. We'll try get them unseized tonight. This is also well flat, we're going to have to get a new tyre. And then after we've got them unseized, we'll try get this thing started. I've got some fresh fuel. We might drain the fuel tank, drain the carburetor before we pull anything to bits. And then I've got this old battery here. Let's hope it's obviously too small for the bike, but we'll see if it cranks it over and get this bike started for the first time in well over 10 years, so let's hope. Let's just get straight into it. Alright, so let's just break these loose first. I don't have an impact driver, I wish I did. Maybe I'll get one soon. Oh, that one's pretty loose. Alright, so basically you just want to take this rubber boot off. If I can do it easy enough without ripping it up. There we go. It's looking pretty clean in there. Take this cotter pin off, take the nut off with this washer, and then we'll most likely have to give this a couple of taps with a rubber mallet to get it loose. And then we'll see what this brake shoe looks like. So we'll just pull this out, and then we'll attack it with the rubber mallet. Hopefully it breaks loose, but it seems pretty stubborn. Oh. I'll keep persevering, guys. I'll let you know how long it takes. Alright, I think I've got it. It's about 10 minutes later. There we go. Look at that. Yeah, the shoe was well stuck. There's a wee bit of brake pad left though. So we'll clean this up, get all the junk off it, and then hopefully we unseize this wheel and we can move on to trying to start this thing. While we let that soak, we'll just run a bit of sandpaper on the surfaces here, just to get the surface rust off. I think that should do it for now. We'll put the wheels back on, and then we'll get to doing this fuel stuff. Alright guys, here goes the wheels. They're moving, not perfectly, but we'll write it off once it's running. Let's get straight into this fuel. So if you remember on the last video, we checked the gas tank. If I can, hopefully I don't spill this too much, but we checked the gas tank and it was clean. There's a tiny bit of bad fuel on the bottom, but we'll just dilute it with this, it should be alright. I just checked the carburetor, it's completely dry, which makes sense because the fuel's so low. So we'll just dilute this crappy fuel with this stuff, and then connect the battery and try to crank it up, see how we go. So just remember guys, this is just temporary. We just want to see if it runs. So we'll connect this battery and get into it. Battery is connected, perfect fit. Let's see if it actually turns on. Oh, that's a good sign. What about the light, guys? Yes. Alright, let's crank it over. Okay, here goes nothing, guys. I assume it will be full choke. Ignition on. Okay, the horn barely works. Alright, here goes nothing. Ready? kidding? Yes. Well, it's kind of running, which is good. That's awesome, guys. I can't believe that. It didn't take that long to start. Take that choke off a little. 10 plus years and she's running. That's awesome. All right. Now that we know it runs, it's worth spending some money on. So I'll end up getting a new battery. Maybe try find this battery cover from the owner. It's probably buried in the barn somewhere. Yeah, I can't believe it. 10 years. Didn't even touch the carburetor. Just put some gas in it. It fired straight up. Unseized the front wheels, of course. Gave it a good clean. It's good to go. Unbelievable. It's totally awesome. So happy about it. Anyways, guys, that will probably sum it up. Thanks for watching. Thanks for joining me. May give you an update at some point of what it's like in the next couple of weeks, couple of months or whatever, but project done. Cheers, guys. Catch you later.